Hello, Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you for your support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all, Taurus. Paunang mensahe ninyo would be for general life. Okay? Tignan natin kung ano to. We have death. Ayan. So, death is a new beginning energy, no? That is an ending and beginning. Kaya, in various areas of life, no? Pwedeng meron kayong tatapusing ganap sa buhay ninyo. You're going to end something. You're going to cut the cords with something or with someone dito kasi you know na it's not serving your highest good anymore. You know that it's not helping you in any way, no? This is, parang end of an era. Meron kayong gustong tapusin na dito because definitely negative vibes na lang siguro ang hatid nito sa inyo. Kaya yun, you're going to put an end to that and handa na kayong mag-embrace ng bago, ng fresh na energy sa buhay ninyo. You're maybe going to start a new chapter, no, sa buhay ninyo in various areas of life. Depende yan sa inyong sitwasyon, no. Pwedeng relationship, pwedeng bagong relationship, pwedeng bagong relationship dynamics, pwedeng bagong trabaho, diba? Pwedeng bagong negosyo sisimulan ninyo. It could be anything, no? Depende yan sa inyong sitwasyon. What else? We have the Hanged Man. Ayan, at pinag-isipan ninyong mabuti yan, no? Before you came up with that decision, it feels like to me na pinag-isipan ninyong mabuti. You have gained new perspective, you have gained new plans, you have gained new ideas, no? Kaya, excited kayo rito na baguhin na yung takbo ng buhay ninyo. Stale na, no? Kumbaga, yung energy na yan. Kaya you want to remove that out of your life. At handa ka nang mag-embrace ng panibago. So, which is good, diba? Kasi in order for something to come in, no? Bagong bagay, situation, or experiences, kailangan talaga na mag-make room ka sa sarili mo. You need to remove something out of your life para makapag-welcome ka ng bago. Diba? So, pagdating sa inyong love and romantic, money, career, and finances, we have Emperor. So, napakaganda nito. Nag-fall siya sa inyong money, career, and finances. Kasi si Emperor is about stability, no? So, stability ng inyong kaperahang aspeto, trabaho, career, source of income ninyo rito, yung gagawa ninyo ng paraan na talagang makapag-lay kayo ng solid foundation sa areas na yon. So, maybe you're going to really work hard sa ngayon para mag-earn kayo, no, ng mas marami pang kaperahan, financial gain. Maybe you are going to focus on making money sa ngayon, putting up your own financial empire, securing your financial future, 'di ba? Maaring 'yun ang mga pagkakabalahan ninyo at this time. Kaya napakaganda nito. Magkakaroon kayo rito ng established, no, na money, career, and finances area sa buhay ninyo. Pwede rin ang iba sa inyo rito baka magi-start kayo ng panibagong posisyon sa trabaho. Baka mapopromote kayo into a leadership role, no? Kasi si Emperor, position of authority siya, 'di ba? Nasa position of authority, kaya pwedeng kayo ay baka kayo ay magsisimula ng bagong posisyon sa trabaho na promoted kayo, no? Magiging manager siguro kayo, magiging supervisor, ganun, no? Kaya congrats sa inyo dyan. So what else? We have Ace of Swords. Ayan, you're definitely going to start a new beginning. Merong maaari talaga na you are going to be promoted, no, into a leadership role. You're going to start or assume a new role, a new position, no, sa inyong trabaho. Or magkakaroon kayo ng pwede rin na magkakaroon kayo ng bagong negosyo, bagong enterprise, or maybe you're going to start a new career path. That is also possible for some of you. Kaya, congrats. Money, this is for relationships. We have Muse of Voices. Ayan. So, maaari, no, ng iba sa inyo rito, there's a lot of thinking that you need to do. There's a lot of decisions siguro that you need to do. Conversations, no, important conversations happening between you and your person. Maaari din kasi na kayo, pati na rin yung person ninyo, maybe both of you are very intellectual, very logical, no? Maaaring ganun. Mga matatalino kayong tao, kaya laging yung usapan ninyo with very very sensible kayong bawat isa, kaya there's a lot of sense, no, sa tuwing kayo ay nag-uusap. Pwede rin na ang iba sa inyo rito is also being invited, no, na open dapat lagi ang inyong communication. Always communicate clearly, no, with your person, para sa mas magandang relationship, para sa mas harmonious, more loving, respectful relationship, no? Kapag open kayo sa bawat isa, kapag lagi kayong nag-share ng mga thoughts ninyo, mga feelings ninyo for each other, so maganda yon, no? Nakakatulong yon na maging matibay, no, ang inyong relationship. So, what else? We have Queen of Pentacles. Wow. So, maybe ang iba sa inyo rito, you have the support, no, of your mom, you have the support of your mother-in-law, maaaring ganun. Napakaganda ni Queen of Pentacles kasi this is also a very sensible person. So, siguro talaga kayo, grupo kayo, no, or pamilya kayo ng mga matatalino, pamilya kayo ng mga wise, ng mga smart, no, na tao, kaya napakaswerte din ninyo. And aside from very sensible and mga matatalino kayong tao, you are also very caring, no, for your person. Napaka mapagmahal mo din, napaka maalaga mo. At yung siguro yung language of love ninyo, is pag-aalaga, service, no, sa mahal ninyo sa buhay. Kaya napakaswerte din ng person ninyo. Kaya ayan, good luck sa iyo. So, tignan natin kung anong final message ninyo dito, Taurus. Maraming salamat po pala, no, sa mga nagdo-donate sa aking channel. Salamat sa mga hindi nag-skip ng ads, no. Thank you for your time and support. Bliss is worth creating from. Ayan. So, napakaganda naman ng message ito para sa iyo. Kasi magiging masaya ka, no, sa ngayon. Kasi you'd be able to create something sa buhay mo na yun ang magpapasaya sa'yo. You are creating something, no? Kaya with the death energy, no, you're really going to create beautiful change sa buhay ninyo ngayon. Gagawin mo rito kung ano yung magpapasaya sa'yo. Gagawin mo rito yung mga whatever it is that make your heart sing and soul sing. So, kaya magiging masaya ka. Kasi finally, no, magkakaroon na kayo ng lakas ng loob na gawin ang mga bagay na gusto mong gawin, mga bagay na magpapasaya sa'yo, no? At hindi lang para sa ibang tao lagi, but for yourself naman sa ngayon. So, good luck. Thank you for watching Love and Light. Namaste.